106. Diastolic pressure is 72. Pulse rate is 95. According to the World Health Organization standard, your blood pressure level is normal.
Hi friends, this is another important video in our channel 7. It's about a fully automatic BP monitor with lots of options at a low cost. In the previous videos we saw about Dr. Thrust pulse oximeter review video and Dr. Thrust digital Bluetooth reading scale video. Please watch the video. Check description. When it comes back to this video, it's fully automatic. Even if you don't know the knowledge about how to use the BP monitor, still you can use the BP monitor with just one button press because it is fully automatic with 3 color difference and voice function. So solely any age can use the product. See, it's a fully automatic product from Niscomed blood pressure monitor, fully automatic with 3 colors, see, red, yellow and green. It got a big LCD display, automatic voice function, accurate reading, memory function, pulse rate indicator also available, movement indicators available. See, voice and color changing function. Support USB connectivity. You can use with your power bank, blood pressure level indicator, voice function, large LCD display, automatic shutdown, intelligent pressure and memory storage. All in a price of 1000 from Flipkart. I bought. Check the review. Amazon and Flipkart both got a good review about the product. I put the product link in the description. See, this actual packing. See, I'm not know much about BP, but see the products. These are the things. They delivered a good product, new product. I bought it for 1000 rupees. And see accessories, one handcuff, product, main unit, manual, pouch also available. 4 AA batteries also they given and USB cable also they providing. So no doubt. See, arm cup centimeter 23 to 33 centimeter. Product weight to 280 gram. So these are the things they delivered in a very quickly and without any damage. I thank Flipkart for the wonderful service. The actual cost was 2350. I bought it for 1000 rupees, 999 actually. So it's a cheap product with all options and accurate reading at a low cost. So now we are going to see unboxing and review about the product. It's imported product. New product was delivered. Okay, see this is the instruction for how to fix the handcuff in our hand. Keep relaxed for 5 minutes and put the wrist through our palm parallel to your heart. And see the particular intake tube was opposite to your artery and wrap the arm tightly opposite direction, paste together. There's a 1 finger gap in between the arm cup and your finger and your hand, and the wristband parallel to your heart and palms up. And now switch on the button in the pressure main unit. Now the pressure automatically read and to tell you the reading in 40 seconds. That's all. You need to wait for 40 seconds with one button press. That's all. The intake pipe need to be in opposite direction to your heart. This was the important thing. So the method I will explain it in the later in the video. Please watch the full video. You open the box, they give a carry pouch. It's very important. At the price, no one providing carry pouch with accurate reading. Again, they providing was a big thing. We need a big tank for the carry pouch. See, lots of product available within Niscomed. You can check the review about the products in the online shop. Then only you can know how good the Niscomed products are. See, temperature monitor and everything, massager, inhaler and everything was available. So no doubt it's a good brand. Brand has lots of name in the market. And see, it's a warranty card. It comes with a 1 year warranty. If Amazon they give for 2 years warranty, I think we need to just have the warranty in the particular website and the manual. See, they explain everything in the manual. So if you have any doubt, if you can watch this full video, you can understand. Otherwise, please read the manual. You can understand everything. And see, first one is a handcuff. See, handcuff and second main unit. Already installed the battery. They provide 4 batteries separately. And see, USB cable. You can use it for power bank or mobile charger if you don't have 4 batteries. See, this is a main unit. Build quality was excellent. Big LED display. This memory function also there. One button press. See, they provide 4 batteries. I already installed the 4 batteries. See, it's for the 2 months and still the battery was working. But indicator also there. See, handcuff. Looks like good quality. We see about the build quality later. See, look wise it was really good and easy to use. No doubt it's a main unit. Already put one time in the ground, unfortunately, and still it is not broken. No damage. USB cable, main unit, air cup and pouch. 4 batteries. These are the things comes with the unit for 1000 rupees. The accurate reading, 3 color difference, voice function. Really is amazing. This here you need to insert the USB cable. Here is the air pipe you need to insert. very small and not occupying much space, but very useful. See the speaker for voice function. Build quality was excellent, wonderful build quality. Don't need to worry about build quality. The air cup, see tube quality also fine, easy to use. They fixing the air tube really well. Don't need to take care much. See the silver lines. I will tell you later in the long term review about whether it causing rust or not. But quality was really good. I need two stitching always, but here one stitching still was good, no doubt. Wonderful product. Quality was good, easy to use. Build quality, main unit and but your arm cup was really good and the pouch also good. See USB cable long length and just you can use your mobile cable, but it was micro USB with a give type C, then it was really good, but still okay for the price. See the main unit, just see, fix the tube to the main unit. See it got hole on the left side, just to fix the tube to the left side. That's all. Just you need to the one press main button, the other two buttons are for memory. That's all. Now you see I give a trial. I fixed the tube. Now see the pipe opposite to my heart. I'm going to insert my hand and give a one finger gap and fix it tightly. That's all. Just when you give a one button press. I think it's fully automatic. Comes with the 3 color codings. Voice function also there. It will explain you everything after previously checking the BP level of your body. Just sit, relax and calm for 40 seconds. It rise up to 160, 170 and automatically reduce it and it will tight your hand. Don't worry. Slightly tight your hand and release it automatically. See it is given you a pulse rate also, battery indicator also available, memory also available, voice function also okay, voice function also working well and 3 color codings. Even you don't know any knowledge about them.
Systolic pressure is 106. Diastolic pressure is 72. Pulse rate is 95. According to the World Health Organization standard, your blood pressure level is normal.
According to the World Health Organization, IBP was normal. See, it's fully automatic. The 3 color codings was very important at the price. Slowly it will easily you can able to understand what was happening, and the voice function was available. Build quality excellent. Full LCD display, memory function also available. One button press. See the quality, every quality was really good. Don't need to worry about the quality. At a low price, they provide everything. Niscomed, I think to thank Niscomed for the wonderful product, and also check all my products. And next video, I will give you a pulse oximeter from Dr. Thrust. Everything was good, fine. Please check description for more details and check first comment for more details. Build quality, everything was explained with all function available at the cost of $999 was below 1000 was really good with the carry pouch. It's another excellent thing. Every home need BP meter nowadays. Age about 30. Solely check BP every day is very important. Please check once a week. It's very, very important. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I will reply in 6 hours. Thank you 7. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you 7.